is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. A strong thunderstorm will impact northwestern Huron, northeastern Seneca, and Erie counties through 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Bellevue, or 13 miles west of Norwalk, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Norwalk, Bellevue, Milan, Northern Milan, Monroeville, Republic, and Flat Rock. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building.